AI pictures are gonna break the internet with Higgsfield's newest feature, Face Swap. This allows you to be anything. Like, look at this picture here. It's insane, and it allows you to have super precision. So we're gonna get into it right here on this video, and I'm gonna walk you through how you can put your face or a client's face on anyone. If that makes sense. Pause. Let me show you what I'm saying. All right, welcome to one of my favorite websites that I use every day, Higgsfield. So what they've done is, as you see, we all Halloween themed out. They have so many new features, but the one we came here for today is Face Swap. Not only will you be able to lead this into an animated video, but it all starts with a picture. So you take your favorite portrait, now with Face Swap by Higgsfield. So you would just click this right here. And once you get here, it's quite simple and self-explanatory. It shows you how Face Swap works. So in 3 easy steps, you're gonna upload your face. Then you put the target image that you want to change, and it's gonna spit out your desired image. It's pretty simple. So the cool thing about it is that they have consistency across all styles. So look, let me show you some examples that these folks made, bro. Look at this shit here, bro. Craziness, dopeness. All right, so you pull up any picture. We got this incredible, handsome person. I mean, a true sex symbol, if you ask me. Take that picture, and you'll be pairing these two up like this meme of Kevin Hart. Now, I want you to pay attention that the meme of Kevin Hart isn't even HD. It's in like a 420, I don't know, some old resolution. Now, watch this. All we have to do is click one button, Face Swap, and you see right here, it's doing it in live in real time. And while that works, you can even see some of the stuff I was working on. This is a movie all about the Benjamins, okay? So this was a movie title, it was a great movie, fantastic film. I took this picture and I replaced this with me and Steve Jobs, and look what it did. Yeah, so that's a whole nother story. Don't even get me started on the popcorn feature that they got here in Higgsfield, but Face Swap is incredible and it gets super precise, you feel me? Stevie's iced out. Then I took a picture like this, a young Dolph, and I wanted to combine this with me, and this is what it gave me. That's pretty nasty, so we're gonna have to work on that one and do better. So if you wanna edit it, all you do is click edit right here, and you click what you wanna edit, and then live in real time, we'll get this nasty cut up off me, and we'll say, add some dreads for hair, press generate, and in real time, your picture gonna start cooking right here, and you get 4 different versions of it. All right, and when we go to our meme, look at my head, bro, look at my head. It now put me in the Kevin Hart meme, and it even kept the resolution, bro. This is hilarious. I look very crazy right here, but as you see, it works in real time. And again, if you wanna upscale it to increase the resolution, you want it to be 1080p or whatever, you can do that. You wanna turn this into a video, guess what? You can do that too. You simply press animate, and next thing you know, look at this freak ass man. He's in the club dancing. I took a picture of a meme and I turned it into a dance. Now let's get back to this. We wanted to change the hair, and guess what it did? It changed the hair. Now we got different dreads. You can make the dreads longer. You can play around with this. Long live Young Dolph, RIP the GOAT. I got this picture of Future. Let's combine that. Odd picture. It was a close-up picture I found on Pinterest. Buddy was iced out. I said, shit, let's see if Higgsfield can make this work. So again, the picture I want, I select the image I want to adjust and Face Swap with, and this, again, make sure you go here and change your aspect ratio. So if you want an Instagram story, you want an Instagram post, a thumbnail, you click that and then you press generate. All right, so here's some of the results. Swaggy, and I'll blow the picture up here on the screen so you guys can see this, but this is pretty fire. It gives you, one thing I'm noticing is it gives you the haircut. So whatever the haircut it thinks that the other person has, oh shit, look at this. So whatever haircut the other person has, it thinks that you will adopt that same haircut. So it kept me in the same exact format. Let's pull up a side-by-side comparison. Side-by-side comparison, I mean, this is spot on. Captured everything. I mean, you can't really, Photoshop or whatever is gonna take you hours to do that. This did it in a click. And here's one of the secrets I wanna let y'all know. The more you press generate, the better the pictures get, bro. Look at these pictures. They keep getting literally better and better. So let's say, for example, you wanted a photo shoot and you got a clothing brand and you model these type of cardigan sweaters, not cardigan, but cashmere sweaters, these type of pants or this type of car. You find the picture that you want, that somebody did a similar photo shoot, and then guess what? You can add your face to it, and now just like that, you are wearing the outfit. Now, this is when you get into the green, because once you got the outfit, you go to edit, and you can start changing all sorts of stuff. And let's say we want to make the sweater pink. I went in here, highlighted everything. One thing I'm gonna tell y'all boys is that Higgsfield does not miss, bro. I don't know what's going on. It's like they Stephen Curry or some shit. They do not miss. Every tool that I've ever used on this platform has been a banger. I used to use Kling AI on Kling AI's website. Higgsfield added it. I used to use VEO3 on Gemini. Higgsfield added it. Sora, Higgsfield added it. Everything you want, they got. Oh, and by the way, if you want to use this tool, make sure you click the description because I'll have all the links for you right there, bro. Like the video. Back to the video. And people, what did I tell you, bro? Higgsfield does not miss, bro. This is crazy. And again, you can animate this. You can start making the person speak. You can erase different stuff. So let's say you wanted to erase the pants and change them into jeans, or you want to change the hubcaps, erase something from the picture that's unwanted. You could do all of that right here, bro. Higgsfield is undefeated. And so look, I took a meme of Shaq and it made my face on it. It kept the resolution. I got me in the mink sweater or the mink coat, you dig, with the suit, looking very luxurious, very elegant. Look at this, bro. I did not go anywhere. I sat in a room, made this video for y'all, and under 10 minutes show you how you can recreate and start using face swap right now on Higgsfield, bro. It's literally a game changer. So I don't mean to be rude to my fellow videographers, photographers, editors, graphic designers, all these people, and especially y'all that's charging tons and tons of money. Do your thing, get your cheese. But you be crazy as hell not to start using these tools, because everyday people are going to start being able to use these as well. And when they start understanding it, it can impact you. But you can use these tools too. So anybody can use this, any age. This is self-explanatory. You just got to put some effort in. And the secret is to keep generating. The more you generate with face swap, the details and the pictures get better, better, and better. That's my advice. Tell them the session sent you. Everything you need is in the description below. I love the tool. Higgsfield does not miss. Yeah, this is day 60 of getting paid with AI. We won't run up this bag with Higgsfield either way. You did.